If you tighten your grip more star systems will slip through your fingers. If you go deeper, it gets darker. If you know more, you realize more that you don't know.
English lessons.
So, do any of these lines from famous films ring a bell? Maybe, or maybe not. And that's because they're not exactly as they were said in the films. Okay, sure, all these sentences are grammatically correct, but notice they've got a double comparative adjective in both parts of the sentence. And this means when something happens more, another thing happens more. This is called a double comparative. And in this video, you're going to learn about 3 different ways you can use double comparatives to sound more natural. Number 1, the basic formula is the plus comparative adjective plus noun or verb phrase, comma, the plus comparative adjective, noun or verb phrase. But don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Here's an example. In Star Wars, we don't hear Princess Leia say, if you tighten your grip more star systems will slip through your fingers. We actually hear her say, the more you tighten your grip, the more star systems will slip through your fingers. Number 2, we can also do something similar with the word less. This means when something goes down, another thing also goes down. It's almost the same formula as before, but we use the word less instead of more. The formula is the plus less comparative adjective plus noun or verb phrase, comma, the plus less comparative adjective and followed by the noun or verb phrase. The less you save now, the less you'll have to spend later. Number 3, we can also mix more and less in the same sentence. So instead of saying, if you worry more, you'll sleep less, we actually say, the more you worry, the less you'll sleep. Did you hear the difference between the 2 sentences? The first one sounds quite boring, whereas the second sentence, using a double comparative, sounds much more natural and fluid. So you've stuck with me for this long, I'm going to give you a bonus. There's one more way we can use a double comparative, and it's for talking about personal preferences. We use the formula the plus comparative adjective, comma, the better. Simple, right? Let's see how it works. So say somebody asks you, how do you like your tea? You could say, the stronger the better, if you like a well-brewed cup of tea to wake you up in the morning. Or perhaps you're shopping for a new pair of trainers, but you don't have a lot of money, and the shop assistant asks you, how much would you like to spend? You could say, oh, the cheaper, the better. So hopefully this video has given you some useful ways to talk about how changing one thing affects another thing. And of course, the more you practice, the more naturally it'll come to you.